Scrunchy, flavorful saltfish fritters. If you're not fritters. If you're interested, let's make this one together. Here are the list of ingredients that we're going to use to make our saltfish fritters. So we have some all-purpose flour. I have a cup and a half of all-purpose flour. I have some saltfish, tomato, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, and you can't forget the black pepper. So we're going with the flour. Alright, so we have the saltfish. Going with the tomato. Scallion. We have a thyme leaf and we Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, and some black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper in my saltfish fritters, but it's optional, guys. Add water and combine. And guys, remember when you're doing fritters, see if you like your fritters fat and fluffy, you're gonna add less water. If you like it thin, you're gonna make it runny, so you're gonna add more water. I like mine on the thin side, and I like it thin and crispy, so therefore I'm gonna go in with more water. All right, like when my fritters them flat. And also some people add egg to fit them fritters. Some people add baking powder, so it just depends on your preference. For me, none of that. All right. Guys, so we're going with some vegetable oil. All right, we are going with the fritters now. So I'm gonna scoop up a little first. All right. Alright, so I'm gonna drop it, kind of spread it. So once you get your color what you love, take them out. And this is perfect. Now you can make color stuff back again, you don't take it out. The best saltfish fritters ever. If you're interested in this one, come and take them together. So we have some saltfish fritters, festival, banana and cheese. We have some fried butterfish, sprat fish, snapper fish. Guys, if you're interested in making this delicious saltfish fritters, come let's make this one together.